Hey, if you want to change the screen timeout on your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE, all you have to do is just to swipe down, open this notification panel, and from here click on the settings icon. Now when you click on it, you will open the settings. From here you will have to open the display and the brightness, and you've got option to go into the screen on. So you can set between 5 minutes, 10, 15, or for example 20 minutes. And then you can click OK and click right here to confirm. And also you've got the sleep time. So we can set between 10, 5 or 20 seconds, but that's only 20 seconds, so it's not enough for me. And after this 20 seconds, your screen will be turned off. But if you want to keep it longer, you will have to open this notification panel after changing these options and click on this icon. And now you will turn the screen of your watch for 20 minutes. Of course, each time you lock and unlock your screen, it will basically reset. So you will get another 20 minutes. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.